Doesn't my Makies doll look amazing in this fabric? Wait till you hear where I got it. Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel. I just wanted to show you the sticker on the box. This box is from Missy Roeder, who is totedly, like not frog, but toad, totedly Dollies on Instagram. I'll have those links in the description. It was Missy's idea, and she invited Dory's Dollies and the dainty seamstress, who's Ina, and myself to participate in a fabric exchange. And we were to send at least 3 fat quarters from our stash to one another in doll-sized print. And so I thought that was kind of fun. And then I started gathering my fabric, and I had to smack my hand. I love my stash. I buy my stash for a reason. Let's see. I don't want to tear up. This is a really nice box. I don't want to tear it up. Bear with me here just for a minute. There we go. I don't want to rip some fabric either. Well, let's see. Ay. This is a nice box. Yeah, me and boxes. You know, if it's a nice box, I save it. I have boxes. And then my kitties. Oh, look what Missy said.
Smack your hand.
That's why I started to say I went to get my fabrics and I had to smack my hand to let some go. But I did get some off, and mine went to Ina. And I hope she likes what I sent. Missy makes her own cards, so this is really going to be cute. A little kindness goes a long way. Yes, it does. If you could see this, I'm kind of doing it this way so you can see how textured this is. She makes all of her cards. Thanks for joining in this swap. I hope you like the fabric. I can't wait to see what you create. Take care, Missy. Hi, Darren. How nice.
Hi, Missy.
How nice to include Darren. Well, I can tell you right away, this, wow. I really like that. I got a new Sasha doll, and I never had one before, and I'm hoping to make her something. Oh, I like these. Oh, that's really gorgeous. You know, Tammy Powley, she's got people putting fabrics together like that I wouldn't have thought of. Tammy's real clever like that. She does that for a lot of her doll outfits. And yes, Missy, I will share these with Darren. Actually, he'll probably get the bigger half of those.
Say maybe I'll share them with you.
Oh, look at this. A little Blythe bag, a little Blythe heads. Oh, that's from my Kenner. That's a Kenner headband, and it won't go down. It will go like we wore them in the 60s and 70s. It'll go like that. Look at this Easter print. Oh, you know what's hard to find? Easter print in doll-sized fabrics. Oh, I love that. There was a card in here. And you can bet your bottom dollar that Missy made this too. She is so clever. This is gorgeous. This is just, that took some time. I used to do card making and journaling and rubber stamping, and one year Darren and I made our Christmas cards with rubber stamps. Look how cute that is. Oh, I love Blythe. That's a sticker. I bet she made that sticker. You can't buy happiness, but you can buy a doll, and that's pretty close. Actually, it is happiness. Oh, I love this. Thank you so much, Missy. Please go by and see what I sent to Ina, what Dory sent to Missy. Let's see, Missy sent to me, Ina sent to Dory. Now, who did Ina get hers from? Oh, yeah, me. So go see all 4. It was a round robin, and that's always fun. Missy, I love this. Thank you so much. And look, this matches too. Now, like I said, Tammy Powley, she'd have all of these used together. Thank you so much. Please leave a like, a comment and subscribe to all our channels, then go by Instagram where Missy will be posting hers, and leave her a like, a comment, and follow her there.